Hello folks and welcome back to another vlog on the channel. Now today we are out at the Nova and we're going to get cracked right on with working on the car, because today we are going to be redoing the whole protection stuff in this wheel arch, because you can see there's some wee orange dots coming through from the Tetro seal, underbody seal that we used. It's not the greatest. I thought it was going to be good stuff, but it hasn't worked out great. But it's a trial and error thing, so at least we tried it and it's worked alright on some bits. Like you can see along here, it looks pretty good, but there's just wee bits coming through. So today we are going to be using some of this stuff, Raptor. Now I've seen this before, I've used the Kent stuff in the past for doing wheel arches and stuff, but we're going to give the Raptor stuff a try today because it seems to be really good, and we'll give it a bash. So with this Raptor stuff, the easiest way to put it on is putting it through the Raptor gun with the nozzle on it and spraying it through a normal A-line and just doing it that way, giving it a couple coats through the wheel arch. But the thing with that, I'd have to mask it all up and stuff, and it would take ages, absolutely ages, probably a few hours to do that. So what we're going to be doing is rolling it on. Now this is recommended as well, you can do this in case you don't have an airline and stuff. So we're going to get that mixed up, but as well as that, you can actually tint Raptor as well, this one specifically. So I've got a couple of reds sitting here in the garage. I have Volkswagen Flash Rot, which is flash red. That's a similar red to what's on the Nova. And then I have some HI4 Nissan Micra K11 paint as well, which is a red as well. So I'm going to try and tint this, because it's black right now, so we're going to try and tint this to a red. And if the red's too dark or it's too light or whatever to the colour that's on the car, then it doesn't matter, because we can paint over the Raptor anyway in the future and just paint the wheel arches with the car. But we're going to try and tint it, see if it goes to the red, and we'll get this stuff on. So let's get it mixed up. So if the videos online on how to tint, so if the videos I've seen online, to tint the Raptor, it's about 100ml of the colour into the can of Raptor, but I don't have any proper measuring cups with me today, so we're just going to eye it and see how it goes. So we'll do that first. This stuff might actually be a bit easier to tint to red than I thought, because I thought it was just black, but it seems to be like a white grey colour, so it should be easy to just add it red in and then tint it to that. Right, I have both tins of paint open. This is the K11 paint, the HI4, and this is a flash red from Volkswagen. The Volkswagen flash red is a bit lighter and it looks a bit closer to what the flame red on the Nova should be like. This is a bit darker red and it actually sprays out even darker than it looks now. So I think we'll go with a flash red and just put some in and see how it goes. Here goes nothing. We've got the flash red. I'm just going to add a wee bit at a time, see how it goes. And this is solvent base coat as well, so this should be pretty good for tinting this. So we'll shut that and we'll give it a wee shake. Here we go. Right, I'll come back once I've shaken this up and see what colour we're sitting at. Right, so I've just finished shaking that up, and as you can see it's a bit pink, but it's getting red, so we'll add a wee bit more of the red in. It looks like a post colour now, the way it's a bit pinky red. So add some more red in there. That might do it. Chuck the cap back on and shake it up again. This is quite fun actually, mucking about with the colour. Right, get back to you again. Right, so after mixing it for quite some time now, that's the red that we've managed to get. It's not as dark as I would have liked it, it's a bit light, but even if we have to paint over the Raptor, it's going to be easier to paint over red than it would be painting over black or white or whatever. So aye, we'll give it a bash now. Now that the Raptor's tinted, I'm going to give the arches a wee scuff over it with a bit of sandpaper, just to give it something to stick to. Right, and now usually you would add the hardener straight into the bottle of Raptor, but because we're going to be rolling it on, I'm going to be adding some of the Raptor into the tub and then adding the hardener into the tub as well and just mixing it in there, because I want to use some of this stuff, well hopefully I have some left to use on the rear arches as well, so I didn't want it all hardening today, so that's the way we're going to do it. So let's get this mixed up now and hopefully it works. So it says to add the whole bottle into that bottle of Raptor, but we're not going to be using the whole bottle, so I'm just going to have to eye it, and if worse comes to worse, I have some U-Pull hardener in the garage as well, which U-Pull make Raptor, so I'm guessing it'll be the same stuff. So we'll just add it in now and let's see how it goes. So we're doing this all one-handed, but it'll be alright. Right. Well, it's definitely red. That's one good thing. And then, I don't know how much will we go with. Something like that. Right, I'll give this a mix now. Right, so just down here, I have the Raptor mixed with the hardener now. I mixed it with a brush, so we've got the roller, we've cleaned the arch, so I think there's nothing better to do now than just put the stuff on. So let's give it a bash. Right, here we go. First bit of Raptor. Guess we'll just give it a bash. Right. We'll start on the easiest bit to see how we get on. So this is obviously going to take a few coats, like, but here we go. So for the tighter bits as well, I have got the brush there. So I've got the wee brush and I can get in the back and stuff. Right, and now we have one full coat on the full arch, and it's not too bad. The coverage isn't too bad. It looks a bit worse in person. It's a bit more see-through in person. If you got up closer, you can see there is see-through bits, but we've got some more mixed up, and we'll get another coat on. It's actually drying really quick, so we need to get more on. Right, we are well and truly getting here with this arch on the it is the driver's side. Aye, we're well and truly getting there. Now that's a couple of coats on there, and I've just mixed up some more of the Raptor, so we're getting there. This is just so chilled out today. Saturday afternoon now. It's about 3:30 I think. I don't know, I've probably lost track of time now. But obviously the vlogs go out on a Sunday, so I hope you are all enjoying watching this. But I hope you have all had a great week, and I hope you are enjoying this video as well. If you are watching it on this Sunday evening, or whatever day you might be watching this in a few years time. But genuinely, thank you all so much for watching my videos. It really does mean a lot, because I put a lot of effort into them. So to see you enjoying them, it means a lot, like, even when I'm doing stupid stuff like this. I'm going to keep getting on with the coats on this. I love filming the vlogs. They're just so much more chilled out than obviously the main video that goes out, and I love the editing process of the main videos, but these are just pretty easy, pretty simple to edit anyway, because I'm just putting the clips together because it's such a raw video. But I just enjoy filming these videos because I do feel like there's as much pressure with them. I'm not having to be all energetic in that all the time and have a kind of crazy title or whatever and do something mental in the video. It's just more chilled out, and it's usually the real fans that are watching these videos as well, where we're just chilling out. But aye, I really enjoy making these as well, so I hope you are enjoying it. Even though we're rolling paint onto a Nova arch, it's still something to watch. Somebody will still be watching it there. Right, and that is the Raptor complete on the Nova. And as soon as I finished it, it started raining, and now it's like stained the Raptor. Hopefully that doesn't stay like that. Hopefully like it dries out and it goes away, but that's so annoying, man. But apart from the wee bits of rain, look at how fresh that looks, man. so much better, and the colour isn't too bad actually. Once the wing on, look, I've chucked the wing on the on the passenger side. I've just fitted up a wee bit, and it actually looks really, really good. So if it comes in, look at that. That looks so fresh in there. That looks so much better. I'm so happy with that. Obviously, I was going to paint over the white Tetro seal with red paint, but I've tinted the Raptor. It looks pretty good. I might still paint over the Raptor with the right flame red colour for the Vauxhall. But I don't know, that looks quite good, like. That looks really nice, and especially with the wing on, it does darken the colour down a bit. And you'll not see it much, but still, I like the wee details like that. That looks amazing, man. So thank you to whoever recommended that. Thank you. Recommended that. But aye, that is fresh. Hello folks, you now join me on Sunday driving through Vauxhall in Fife. So we are heading to Crail Raceway today for the second event of the year. Today is a drag and drift event, and sort of last minute I had set it up to go up and do some videoing and photography for Crail today. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing maybe some interviews, just walking around the event and stuff, filming the race and seeing what's going on really, and taking some photos as well for their pages. So I don't know how far away we are now, but we're getting there, and we'll be there soon enough. So it should be good. It's a bit wet, but there should still be some pretty cool cars up there, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll catch you up there. Right, so I'm now at Crail Raceway, obviously, as you can clearly hear. And although it's only just a drag and drift event, it's quite busy actually, and there's a few people watching as well. But we've had some really interesting races so far. It's a bit damp on the day, but it's still a good day. So if you have a look into the drag racing queue, there's a lot of nice stuff out there. Obviously the most popular car is your Golfers, your S3s and Cupras, but if you take a close look, there's some nice stuff out there. Right, so I'm now down at the drifting part of the track. We've got two E46s absolutely chucking it in. Whoa! Bit over there. I've just had my lunch here at Crail. I just bought my own food because it's pure expensive for food here. So I had 2 ham rolls, cheese and onion crisps and a wee packet of Maltesers, man. It was good, like. Feeling refreshed, ready to go back out into the cold weather. It's absolutely freezing out there, but getting some good videos for TikTok and stuff, getting some good photos for Crail as well, for all their pages, so we're getting there. I'll probably leave soon, like, because I've got pretty much all I can get in terms of video wise and stuff, but it's been pretty good day. Right, I'm with the man Liam. It seemed to be a regular occurrence, me and you together.
All the time.
But we're out in your new car,
the IS200.
And we are at Crail Raceway, so we're about to go down the strip against an EP2.
Yep.
Going to see how it fares. Might beat it. With the times you're getting, we probably should beat it. We'll see.
Hopefully either beat it or neck and neck.
We'll see. So we're lined up next to the EP2 now. Hopefully we'll beat it. We'll get our best shot. But we've got heated seats, heating on, everything. All that's done to this back box to the DIY home job.
Self done back box delete.
Here we go. Cheeky wee burn it there. Here we go. Close. We got it perfect. Bang on. Woo.
I got it perfect. That is, I'm proud of that.
Put it away. There we go.
85. Not my nice one yet.
The trim. The trim's gone. That's going to do it for my day here at Crail. I've been here for hours. It's now about 2:30. I've been here since like 10:10 or something, so I've been here for quite a few hours. Got loads of videos and stuff, so make sure to follow the TikTok because there's loads of videos going up on there. It was good. Got to meet up with Liam again. Went out in his IS200, so that was good fun. Went up the strip. Got an 18.3 or something in it, which is quite quick, or an 18.5, but decent for the wet. especially with it being standard and rear wheel drive, so aye, pretty good. But going to head back now, get some warmth as well in me because I'm absolutely freezing, and then aye, probably end the vlog. So let's get back on the road. Right, and I'm now back home from Crail, back out in the back garden at the Nova. Look at that beautiful sunset. That's so nice. But we're back now. That is the Raptor completely dry. I just came out to check it. It's solid. It looks really nice as well. But that does bring us to the end of this video. Jeez. So I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you keep an eye out on the TikTok for all the videos from Crail coming out. And if you didn't follow me already on there, follow me. So you see all the rest of the videos going up on there. But thank you all for watching this week's vlog. There will be a new video up on Wednesday as well at 6 PM. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.